guys, my name is Mary Shelley. I'm a recreational center specialist with the City of LaPorte Parks and Rec. And today we're going to be making some grilled cheese s'mores, but there's not really cheese inside, it's just called that. But trust me, it's going to be amazing. So for our ingredients, we're going to have some white bread, graham crackers, mini marshmallows, chocolate chips, butter, some cinnamon sugar, and then we're also going to need a measuring cup, a pan, and a knife or spoon, something to get the butter in the pan. Okay, so for the first step in this process, we're gonna grab some butter and we're gonna put it in a giant pan. And I'm gonna be making 2 sandwiches this first time, so I'm gonna grab 2 teaspoons, say, full of butter. And so once we get that, we're gonna move on over to our stove, and I've got it about a medium heat, and we're gonna let that butter kind of clarify and get all nice and melty before we start. All right, so now you see our butter is melting, so we want to mix it all around the pan so we get even coverage on there. And you might want to have an adult with you because this gets very hot and we don't want it to get burned. All right, so the step with our graham crackers here is going to be to crush them. We need them crushed to be able to go on the sandwich. So what we're going to do is we're going to lay out a piece of foil. You can use a piece of foil, plastic, or you can put them in a plastic bag and then crush them that way. Whatever is easiest for you, and it's going to be less mess. So we have our little bag here, and I'm just going to not be gentle with them. We want to crush them and get them nice and crunchy so that when we put them on the sandwich, they're going to go evenly inside and they're going to get all nestled in between the marshmallows. All right. So we're going to start assembling our s'mores grilled cheese sandwich. Lay down 1 slice of bread, and then we're just going to go for a few marshmallows, just enough to cover the top of your bread, and try not to let them go down into the pan because you're going to end up with a big mess later and it's going to be very hard to flip. Okay, the next ingredient is going to be our chocolate chips. So we're just going to lightly sprinkle some in here, again trying not to get it on the pan, just like so. All right, for the last step, we're going to add some graham cracker pieces. Just some crushed up graham crackers. Try to get a little bit more. And there you have it. All right, the final piece, that second piece of bread, smush it down a little bit so we can get things melting. All right, so it is time to flip. So carefully turn it over. It's gonna be really hot, or get an adult to help you. Oh, look at that, nice flip. And try to tuck in some of the marshmallows they're trying to escape. And look at that nice golden brown. All right, so our sandwich is just about done. Make sure you turn off the stovetop. And we have 2 options here. If you'd like a sweeter s'more sandwich, you can actually go ahead and take your sandwich and dip it completely into the cinnamon sugar mixture we have. Or you can just go and sprinkle some on top, just like so. So that way you control your sweetness level. And that's sprinkled on top, or you can go this route, kind of move it around. And then that marshmallow is gonna get some of that sweetness on there. Ooh, look at that. And that is how we do a s'mores grilled cheese sandwich. And that's how we do it.